Welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Jordan. Nothing on this video is financial advice, so always do your own research. We are seeing a complete bloodbath, obliteration in the crypto markets as altcoins go to zero, guys, today. Just look at this. The crypto market is a complete bloodbath. We have Bitcoin minus nearly 5%, Ethereum minus 11.3%, Solana minus 11.3%, Dogecoin minus 12%, Cardano minus 12%. These coins are getting obliterated, guys. Nearly all the altcoins are down at least 10%, and this could continue further because this could be the start of a massive breakdown in this market structure, and we are close to potentially starting a bearish structure, but it still hasn't been confirmed yet. We're going to go into the analysis of Bitcoin, why it breaks a bear market structure. If you are excited about the next cryptocurrency bull market wave that could be later this year in 2026, and you're bullish on meme coins, one of the top 3 crypto categories by sector, of course we have AI, we have meme coins, and we have real world assets. Then the latest new early and upcoming meme coin that is a Bitcoin layer 2 chain narrative project is here, guys. This is called Bitcoin Hyper, and the hype on this is insane. Considering the current market conditions we have had recently, they have still managed to raise now over $31 million for this one, okay, here, which is insane. If you want to participate here, you come to the website, connect your wallet, and you can use any one of the cryptocurrencies of your choice that you prefer, guys, here. Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, or even BNB, right? So you can connect your wallet on the cryptocurrency blockchain that you prefer, that you use, if you want to get a low priced early allocation to this. As we can see here, the price rises in about a day or so. So the cheapest it will ever be is currently where it is now. As you can see down here, the price for one Hyper token currently is 0.013. So keep an eye on that if you want to get the lowest possible price. Now we can see it's featured in all of the top crypto news publications, and down here, this is, like I said, guys, a Bitcoin layer 2 chain focused project. So it is going to have a direct bridge where you can bridge from the layer 1 Bitcoin original chain into this new Bitcoin layer 2 chain. And they have, guys, the Lightning Network, Optimism, ZK rollups, rootstock, and scalability all integrated here. So these are very bullish narratives, particularly the ZK narrative, which is the zero knowledge proofs Bitcoin privacy narrative. If they integrate privacy into this blockchain, this could be talked about and very big. They are using Solana's virtual machine or SVM technology here to have the fastest possible blockchain to compete against the other fastest chains here, right? Okay, and you can see they are doing constant updates to their website with news and information about the project, and you can follow their bullish narrative meme coin tweets on Twitter, of course, guys. And we can see down here, this is powered by SoulScan, Backpack, Iona, and Anza down here. As we can see recently, this was a new addition. Check out the tokenomics, guys, here, which they are going to have a hell of a lot allocated for treasury, rewards, listings, development, and marketing. For example, their marketing is going to be 20%. That is a hell of a lot of 31 million, right? Which is going to be allocated for a huge marketing for this, as stated by their website. So this is what it states on their website here. And go down and read the FAQs, or frequently asked questions. Guys, if you have any questions about this, it shows you step by step exactly how to get started and get into this project early to get your Bitcoin Hyper allocation for this brand new Bitcoin layer 2 blockchain. So if you wish you got into other layer 2 chains early, like the BNB chain, the base chain, and so forth, even Optimism, Arbitrum, all of the other layer 2s, then this one is a meme coin layer 2 chain, guys, for Bitcoin. So it has the Bitcoin narrative, it has the ZK privacy narrative, it has the Solana virtual machine narrative, right? The Solana ecosystem narrative, and the meme coin narrative, all tied into one, as well as the layer 2 very bullish narrative as well. You can even stake and get up to 38% extra in token staking rewards, guys, if you're early and you want to earn extra while you wait here for this. Check out the link to Bitcoin Hyper, will be in the video description below. If you do not already have a no KYC cryptocurrency wallet, then this one, which is called Best Wallet, is a global cryptocurrency wallet that anyone anywhere can use, download, and it is a non-custodial wallet. So that means you own your assets. You can download it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for mobile. It is audited by Certic, as you can see here, the best security in crypto. Certic soon are going to go public, actually, as one of the top crypto security companies, I believe, I think on the stock market. So that's interesting news. But we have it's a multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial, the best wallet ecosystem with multi-chain support. So you can use this across any one of your favorite of these blockchains, right? So any one of your, whichever is your favorite chain to use, Solana, BNB, Tron, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Near, Protocol, AVAX, Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, and any one of these, all of them are integrated. You can use this Best Wallet to build an altcoin and meme coin portfolio. Remember, never have all of your crypto in just one crypto wallet. Always be diversified across multiple wallets and multiple exchanges, guys, to keep yourself safe, protected, and secure, right? We can see that they have instant swaps, gas free, and everything. So you save so much money on gas with this wallet. You don't have to pay anything for fees. And you can cash out your crypto profits instantly with just one click using this wallet. Again, it's no KYC, so no ID or identification required. The link to download Best Wallet is in the video description below. If you want to improve your cryptocurrency knowledge, one of the best ways to do that is to join an already established cryptocurrency core community that we have here, Jacob's Crypto Clan, to be part of one of the biggest insider Discord crypto community groups that is reliable, established, and keeps you safe. Led by, of course, Jacob Cryptobury, we all know and love, one of crypto's largest channels on YouTube. You get the best premium educational resources, including direct mentorship, live training sessions, tutorials, project reviews, designed to guide traders towards long-term success. If you are new, a beginner in crypto trading and profit, or even if you are an advanced cryptocurrency user, there are 4 types of learning modules covering the basics, starting points for newcomers in the industry. The second module focuses on technical aspects of high potential projects, guys. And if you keep upgrading and leveling up, the third is dedicated to pre-sales and how to conduct proper research in crypto. And finally, the fourth module features recorded live stream sessions that offer real-time insights and practical strategies live with Jacob himself. You get direct one-on-one crypto coaching. He already has over 57,000 community subscribers, right? You can check out the link below to the On-Chain Academy. This is what it is called here, where you can sign up to any tier that you are on based on your own level where you're at. So you can start with the beginner tier, right, all the way up to the direct mentorship level, where you can take your investment into yourself and into your trading education and financial knowledge to the highest level, right here, by selecting the mentorship option below. And again, links to this in the video description below. Overall, it is an absolute bloodbath. We did recently have Trump announced the new Federal Reserve chairman, he's quite bullish on Bitcoin, but overall he's hawkish to the extent where he is not in favor of massive balance sheet expansion, which is quantitative easing and money printing, which normally boosts risk assets and the crypto market like Bitcoin. But yes, if we take a look at some of these coins, I mean, look at the total crypto market cap. That's also breaking down. So this is the total crypto market cap of all the coins combined, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and including the old coins. That is going down here. Then we've got the total too. This one is breaking down. This is Bitcoin, Ethereum, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Then we have the total 3, and this one is excluding all the old coins. Sorry, excluding Bitcoin and ETH, I mean. So this one is a representation of the old coins, but that one is with stable coins. Now this is the same, which is total 3, all of the old coins without the stable coins, so excluding the stable coins. This is the weakest one. Look at this. This could be about to break this horizontal level, this trend line going along from here like that, right? So that, if that breaks, that is game over for old coins, and it would be absolute light out, and we could be looking at another further minus 99%. So the coins are already down minus 90%, nearly all the altcoins, but they are about to go down another minus 99% because there is no limit to how many times an altcoin could keep going down minus 99%, because it can keep doing it until basically zero. Absolute zero, guys. This could reach. It's crazy. It's incredible. And also this Fear and Greed Index is now 26. People are terrified here in the markets today, right? As you can see here by the Fear and Greed Index. Now, also, this is the important point as well about how this market structure may change. As you can see, we are currently here. This is still a higher low than this. This is like one of the final remaining indicators proving that we are still in a bullish structure or bull market. But if this changes, which means if we break this key level, guys, which is $74,000, okay, $74,600, and if we break it and go below that, then we are now making lower lows instead of higher lows. So that would be down here. So for example, if Bitcoin goes like this and then falls down to here, this level, that would be a lower low because it is lower, right, than this. So that is what we do not want to happen. As soon as that happens, then once it is confirmed, which is daily candles and then weekly candles confirming that closing down here under this level, that would be an undeniable sign of the full market structure changing into an official bear market structure, because all of the other, indicators have pretty much already shown that we're in a bearish trend. We're definitely in a short-term bearish trend that's been going on all the way since October. So that's a 3 to 4 months long bearish trend. But whether that becomes a longer full confirmed bear market is of course dependent on what we just said here as well. Because if it can hold this line, then there is a chance that Bitcoin could go on to make a higher high, which will be still bullish, because look, we have higher high, another higher high, another higher high. So the point is, if this holds this level, if this chart holds this level here, let's say then we bounce off it and we recover and we do whatever we do around here, but then we slowly go up and we slowly but surely break this level, then we would literally be able to achieve a new all-time high. And what would that be? That would be a higher high again, right? So you have this, and this, which would prove that this is a uptrend in a bull market, because look, we have a lower low, we have a higher low, another higher low, and then again here we would have made another higher low, because it would still technically, right, be higher than this. So that would be the bullish case. Or the upside case. And then of course we always have all the different scenarios which could happen in the middle. This is no guarantee, but this is just probabilities. This could end up messing around and going sideways here for ages, and this could then become like a sideways market, and that would be really choppy. That would not be a good scenario. It would be best if we can have one or the other, either bullish or bearish, so we can become clear about what trend we are going into over the next 9 months to a year, right? We want to know, is it going to be bullish or is it going to be bearish? Let's see. So let's see what happens next, guys, in terms of that. But this is just a quick update on that. And also, guys, there is another bullish thing in the there is another thing in the markets, which is Michael Saylor, right? And that is the news. I can't find it now, but it was on Twitter that Michael Saylor could go into a loss. It might have even happened by the time you see this video, guys, if Bitcoin gets to, I think the level is 76,000. So look at this. We are so close to the Michael Saylor Bitcoin MicroStrategy holdings, or strategy holdings, right? I think it's just here. So 76,000. So if it gets to like this level, guys, which is inches away, then MicroStrategy will officially be in a loss on all of their Bitcoin holdings, and which means the holdings, which is like a valued at $58 billion right now, will now start to go down in value and lose money. I mean, that is a lot of money to lose. And look at that, guys. That is less than 3% away down from here where we are now, just 2.5% away. So it is a dangerous time to be in the markets. It is a bloodbath, and we could actually hit that. Look at this. We could hit that level. We could hit that level without breaking the bull market structure of support over here. So that is interesting. Let's see if that level still gets hit despite not breaking the bull market structure here. That will be interesting to find out. What happens next? Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and thank you so much for the amazing support here, guys. We are here on the green days, on the red days, every single day, bringing you the latest market updates, altcoin, new early altcoin news and opportunities. Well, when the market's bullish, that is, and everything that you need to know. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and save this video. We will see you soon on the next videos right here, guys, on this channel.